Beautiful one bedroom in Forest Hills entrance. On the right is a double door closet, coat closet. It's the living room, a large living room. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets. It's got a new dishwasher, new microwave, new fridge, new cabinets, new appliances. This is the bedroom. Good size bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size bed. Has a window. It comes with a closet. It's another double door closet here. Linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. Beautiful tiles. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building. Near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. 1 block from the famous Austin Street. Near all the shoppings. Near the express train, the E train and F train. Also near the MNR train and LIR train. The apartment is a very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. And please don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.